I want to talk to you about 7 essential oils you may want to consider adding to your anointing oil recipe. If you've never used anointing oils, if you've never considered adding them to your holistic, healthy lifestyle regimen, I hope that this information will inspire you to begin searching out more education as it relates to the essential oils that I'm going to share with you today. If you're already using the anointing oil recipes and including these essential oils, and maybe you're including some other essential oils, which I'm sure you probably are because I'm only listing 7 of them, and of course there are more than 7, then good for you, and just keep on getting more and more and more advanced in the creation of your blends for the anointing oil. We want to be careful about the essential oils that we select because we want to make sure that the essential oils that are included in the anointing oil are known for spiritual properties, are known for calming the nervous system, are known for bringing us to a place of relaxation and calmness and peace, because we use anointing oils in prayer and in meditation, in relaxation. Anointing oils, as I said, are used in our spiritual practices, and they just are oils that contain essential oils that have been added to a carrier oil. That carrier oil is usually olive oil. And so, again, just essential oils added to olive oil, blended together, and then used in your relaxation, meditation, prayer time, and knowing that you're going to get not only benefits as it relates to the spiritual properties, but also knowing that you are cleansing and setting the atmosphere with these oils. So I'm going to get right into it. As I said, there are just 7 that I'm going to share with you today, but there are more. The very first one of my favorites, as you all know, frankincense. Frankincense has been used since biblical times. Frankincense is known for its healing properties, and so you most definitely want to include frankincense in any anointing oil recipe. Myrrh goes right along with the frankincense. Myrrh is known for purification and cleansing. So again, definitely, if you're going to be making your own blends, then please consider myrrh. Frankincense and myrrh, they go together. They really do. Cinnamon, very fragrant essential oil. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is good to help you to get to that place of humility. Cinnamon added to the frankincense and the myrrh, and you're really well on your way to a very powerful, very potent anointing oil. You also want to consider adding hyssop. You know, hyssop is referenced in the Bible as well, and hyssop is known for its cleansing and purifying properties. How about lily of the valley? Again, referenced in the Bible. Lily of the valley, the rose of Sharon essential oil. That's another one that is one of my favorites. You know, I have so many favorites. I just thank God for all that He has created for us. Remembering that we worship the Creator. We know that God created the plants that provide us with the essential oils, which allow us to create the anointing oils that we use at these times. So we're careful to be mindful of that we worship the Creator. God is the Creator, and we appreciate what He has provided for us to use. Spikenard. Spikenard is definitely an essential oil that is used in worship services. So consider adding spikenard. Again, another fragrant. I keep saying that, but they're all very, some have a little stronger fragrance than others, and they have different notes, of course. But spikenard is another fragrant essential oil to add to your anointing oil blend. And I think that should be 7. The frankincense for healing, myrrh for surrender, cinnamon for humility, hyssop, cleansing and purification, spikenard for worship, rose of Sharon for beauty, lily of the valley for honor, having a heart that honors God. So think about that. Think about what else you can do in your times of relaxation, your times of prayer and meditation. What other things can you add that will intensify this time that brings you to a place of balance and calm and peace that centers you? And we all need to do that on a daily basis. There's so much that we encounter when we're out and about. You're in the workforce, you're serving, you're volunteering, you're in the midst of people. When you take time for yourself to just allow your spirit, your soul, your body to come into alignment, to come to a place of balance, to come to a place of relaxation, caring for yourself so that you can care for others at an even higher level. So again, I said this would be very basic information just to encourage those who are already incorporating anointing oils in their spiritual practices, and then to inspire others who are not to consider this very powerful way of adding to prayer, meditation, and relaxation. Again, I hope that you've been blessed by the information that I've shared. I hope that you will consider subscribing. Why don't you just go ahead and subscribe? And you can always unsubscribe. I don't think that you will. But go ahead and subscribe. Share this. Share this information with others. And go ahead. Get some more education as it relates to essential oils, anointing oils, and also being mindful that you want to always have a carrier oil. And as I said, usually the carrier oil for anointing oils is olive oil. Olive oil, again, referenced in the Bible. So I'm speaking about the spiritual properties and the spiritual benefits of anointing oil. And I hope that you will consider anointing oils, and then consider creating your own anointing oils. As you all know, I have a healthcare line myself, so I create my own anointing oil blends, and of course, these are available. And you want to make sure that when you're creating your own, if you decide to create your own, that you use, as I've shared in other videos, you want to always use these dark colored bottles, because the oils are very sensitive to light. So I have here a dark colored bottle. You can also find them in the cobalt blue if you prefer, but the important thing is that they are dark colored bottles to help to protect the oil. You want to keep them out of light and direct sunlight. So you can either I'll leave some information. I'll leave some information in the description box as it relates to the links where you can get the anointing oil, the anointing oils that blends that I create. And also, if you need more information, just leave me a comment and I'll get back to you. I'll also leave my email if you care to email me directly with any questions that you may have versus using the comment section. So again, okay, I know it's been a few minutes longer than usual. I know you have time. I know you have things you have to get back to. So thank you for taking the time to listen. And I'll see you next time. God bless you.